Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee espresso machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pour a shot. I noticed that with this portafilter we get an occasional drip, just a little drip like you can see here. And I think I just saw another one. I think this could be resolved by getting a new portafilter, because when I tested with other portafilters I don't see the issue. But for some reason, I'm seeing a couple little drops. I saw one here coming up with this portafilter, so that might be a consideration to change it out. But otherwise, the machine's working great. The boiler up top is no longer working, so thank you for repairing. Is no longer leaking, and so thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.